Nĩ gĩko kĩa magigi kĩrĩa gĩatigire andũ a bamĩrĩ hamwe na aikari a itũũra rĩa Obama kuma Kayole kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi na ruo rũingĩ thutha wa Beatrice Otieno, mutumia wa ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 60 kũragwo na njĩra ya gũthecangwo na gũcoka kũng'eo, marĩ hamwe na gacucu gake Trevor Otieno wa ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 11 ũrĩa woragirwo na njĩra ya gũitwo. Gĩko gĩkĩ kĩahanĩkire ciumia 2 hĩtũku, mũriũ wa mutumia ũyũ Peter Otieno akiuga arĩa mekire ngero ĩno macokire gwĩthara na gĩbandĩ kĩa nyina, kandi yake ya bengi hamwe na thimũ yake.
Gave them the previous contact of the someone we felt maybe might have been linked here, because the intention is very clear. The person who came and did the act was not alone. They took the ATM card, they took the ID card, and our mom's phone. Just simple things. Everything was left intact the way they are in the house. So we have our own suspicion, but that is not the final finding.
Nilikuwa nimekaa Mjumiwa kama nikisota mimi kuja kula huku. Sio de nilikuwa sina do, nikakuja nikunywe chai. Kufika hapa kwa court niko na gari ya mama, nikajua tu wako. Kuingia kwa gate ilikuwa wazi. Snoopy alikuwa hapo hivyo na ni kama pia alifurahia kuona mtu. Angalia huko. Sasa apata sufuria hapo nje, ni kuchafu. Ndio nikiingia hapa ndani nikakuta vitu za black. Then nikifungua nikaona mguu ya mama hapo hivyo na alikuwa amelala. Ndio
family no ni orotete maafitha uthuthuria akuma ceceni ya borithi ya Kayole kuria mahurire riboti na makirwo ndeto ĩno ni kũrũmanĩrĩrwo nayo, no nginyagia riu gutire riboti mahetwo ĩgiĩ harĩa uthuthuria ũyũ ũkinyĩte wa gwethana na arĩa matabanirie ngero ĩno.
Once when she came from home, she mentioned that there was a threat, but it was in home, not here. But whoever my nephew is telling me is what we were saying, that we became suspicious if he could be the one who actually came and did the act.
One of the DCI told me like they are still working on it, and everybody is doing his work. So they have different sections, different departments, those who are supposed to work on the phone, those who are supposed to work on the DNA search. Until today, nothing has come up, and we're really worried how they are going to speed up this investigation.
Riu family no ni hoete kuona kihoto kiao na arĩa matabanirie gĩko gĩkĩ makorwo magĩkinyio bao-inĩ na matacokerio makinya mahiũ ma kĩwatho. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mũirũrĩ.